Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making Nescafe cake. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Nescafe cake. You will need 1 cup of whipping cream or heavy cream, 1 cup of boiling water, half a cup of sweet condensed milk, some cocoa powder in a small sift, half a teaspoon of almond extract, 1 tablespoon of Nescafe instant powder coffee, 400 grams of tea biscuits like these, but I could use another packet just in case I need more. And this is how your Nescafe cake should look like. Serve it with some coffee and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!